What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day today. My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and together we'll be taking a look at the Vue Chelsea Waterproof from Merrell. Now, this stylish boot here is going to take a little bit from that fashion world and combine it with all the features that you get normally from an outdoor shoe. Now, this is made from a full grain waterproof leather upper, which means you don't have to be afraid of going through any water or getting your shoes wet, because it won't damage these shoes. These are super durable. It also features an M-Select dry technology that just works together with that waterproof leather to keep the water out of the shoes, while also allowing any moisture that builds up on the inside of the shoe to escape easily. Now, this does have that Chelsea boot silhouette, and to help out with the on and off process of the shoes, you have this elastic panel on both sides here to go ahead and assist with that, along with a pull tab around the heel. Now, the interior is super soft, so that's going to give you a nice in-shoe feel. And this comes with a removable contoured insole here with Kinetic Fit based technology. Super lightweight, giving you all the cushioning and support you need to get you through your day. Also has some perforations up front here to add to that breathability of the shoe. Now, the midsole here is made with a cushioned EVA, some great shock absorption through that, and this all sits on top of this durable rubber outsole. Now, this is going to be one shoe that you definitely don't want to miss out on, so make sure you get a pair today. It's from Merrell.